Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have another unboxing. This time is a Fashionphile unboxing. This is something that I actually purchased before my vacation to Italy, before we went to Italy, and I had it like on hold because obviously I didn't want the package to come while I was gone. So it came literally just right after I came back. So now I'm kind of puzzled. I got two things. The first thing is definitely a keeper, and the second thing, which is the little handbag from Chanel, I'm like, now that I purchased those two handbags in Italy, like, do I really need this one? So I will definitely need your help, but this is something that it was on my wish list. So the two items I'm gonna show you, it came in two different packages. Now the Fashionphile has like the New York office and the California office. So one of the items came from New York, one I think from California, but I don't know. Anyway, the first one came in the smaller bags, and you know, when I noticed this on the website, I had to get it. I had to get it, and it was marked as, I believe, like brand new. So it came in their own Fashionphile dust bag because it did not come with their bags. And you guys, look at this. This is, oh my god, see the pink again? I know, I'm too much into pinks now. It is another scarf, and I know I just show you guys, I know I just purchased the Versace scarf, which is again the pink and the kind of a turquoise, but I have to show you. This one is from Hermes, and where's the name? Here's the name of the scarf. I am standing up so you guys can see it a little bit better. So this was marked, I believe, as a brand new item. It didn't have like tags attached or anything other than, you know, the Fashionphile little tag in here, but I just couldn't resist. I think it's just such a pretty scarf that I just had to get it. I mean, this is like absolutely stunning. You know, the colors, the vibrant colors on this is just something that sold me basically on that scarf. I think it's just, it's like a ribbon, you know, and it's just so beautiful. And again, that kind of a hot pink that, you know, kind of hugs this entire scarf is just so beautiful. So yeah, I kind of invested in those kind of a hot pink scarves recently, but I just love it so much that I could not resist. So this scarf is obviously a keeper. I'm not even, you know, I'm not even like double think, you know, this is just like, even my husband said it's so beautiful. But then again, I know I just purchased this one, which is from Versace. I show you this in my last unboxing video. It will be right there if you haven't seen it yet. So there is some similarities again, you know, but I love the scarves, and I'm sure I'm gonna use this. And I know lots of you guys ask me about this scarf. I will link it down below, that Versace. I think it's available on Farfetch, so I will link it down below for you. But what do you think about the new Hermes scarf? And this is the same size. This is like 90 centimeters, which is like 35 inches or so. So it is a very large scarf, and I think it just looks stunning. Look at this pink. Like this pink against my black blouse. I mean, isn't that beautiful? Oh, I just love them. And you know, to be honest with you, that that silk feels different than Versace silk, and I know the Louis Vuitton silk feels also different. So I know one of you left me a comment under my last video asking to do a little comparison of my scarves and kind of show you what I have. So I probably will do a little scarf video soon, just to, you know, because it's been a while since I talk about my Hermes scarves, and I know you don't always see them on me, but I absolutely love them. So I'm pretty much like very Chanel-esque today. I'm obviously wearing my beautiful brooch. I'm also wearing my Chanel sandals. I surprisingly, I haven't used them a lot this summer, and if this blouse is available, because I know you guys always ask me, I will link it down below. It is from Loft. Loft is my favorite store, and yes, I was carrying today this beautiful baby. Sorry, I'm showing you the wrong side. I was carrying my jumbo. I just think it kind of looks stunning. So yeah, I am very much all Chanel today. So let me show you the handbag that I've got from Fashionphile. It is a small handbag, obviously comes in this box. It came with the original box in here, and let me show you. Here is the inside. It did came with all the paperwork, including a receipt. So you see here, there's original receipt, and I look at the receipt. It was purchased actually in Japan. So there's a receipt. Also, there's some, you know, like those felt, protective felts, and it did came in this little pouch, which is like, what is it? It's kind of feels a little plasticky, but it's very kind of a nice pouch. And the bag that I always wanted, that is been on my kind of wish list, and I was looking for a good deal for quite a few years, is dum da da da. So you guys, this is a double zip clutch. Is that what they call this? And the one that I went for is in the boy style, and I really was looking for like just all quilted, you know, or just boy the way it is. It really didn't matter much, you know. I think I was more concerned about the condition. This one was described on the Fashionphile website as very good condition, and honestly, you guys, I am pretty surprised, because I know the Fashionphile has a very kind of a strict level of conditions, I'm gonna say, and really, even though they say it was very good, to me it's almost like an excellent condition. There's really like no used on, you know, there's no like, you cannot tell it was very much used. Like corners are so nice, you know, the quilting is good. It's not a lambskin. I'm pretty sure this is a calfskin, but it is you know, it's kind of a soft, it's not a pebbled leather, and obviously it's with the gold hardware, so you can see a little bit of the wear on the hardware. Maybe the hardware is not as shiny or, you know, as gold as it should be, you know, but like all the corners, you know, like a little details, everything seems to be in incredibly good condition. Obviously this clutch comes with the long strap, which is attached, and you cannot disattach. So I really wanted this for a very long time, and I was always drawn into this two zippers kind of a situation. So you have one zipper in here, and by the way, it comes with the authenticity card. You have another zipper pouch in here, and each single pouch has like 3 spots for your credit cards. So in other words, you have like 6 spots, and then there's an open space in the middle. I have iPhone 11, and my iPhone 11 fits here perfectly, so I was like, yay, that's so good. My husband thinks it's super cute. I love that, that's why I purchased it, but now I'm kind of questioning myself, do I really need it? Because I just bought so many little bags recently, you know, my Fendi kind of crossbody mini bag, now I got my YSL clutch, and this is really tiny. So as much as I love it, I'm like, I'm just questioning it. So please help me make the decision. Would you keep this, or, you know, would you just pass, just return it? This, by the way, the phone also fits in any of the, you know, of the zippers, and this is, you know, it's just like a regular case on it. So obviously if you put it in a zipper section, it will take pretty much the whole space, so I would not really put in there, but it's nice that it kind of fits in the in between. You know, I was considering the double zip pouch, I don't know what it's exactly called, from Louis Vuitton, but I was just really not 100% sure if I want this one, and I've seen one video that cell phone was not really fitting into the double zip kind of space on that Louis Vuitton pochette. So this is iPhone 11. There's still little room, so I don't know if you have bigger iPhone, would it fit or not. But anyway, you know, there's certainly enough room to put your little essentials, you know, cash, credit card, little, you know, just, you know, some lipstick, keys, you know, it will definitely fit. But it's more like a tiny wallet, I would say, rather than a handbag. And even though I knew the dimension of it, I still kind of thought it was gonna be a little bit bigger. So yes, that's why I'm kind of puzzled a little bit, and I'm questioning my decision. You know, obviously I can return this. I have like 30 days, you know. So I'm not removing that sticker because I'm just, you know, I'm just not sure. I have to kind of put my stuff in here and see how I'm gonna like it. But I just want to show you guys, and please let me know what do you think about this. I mean, it's, you know, the condition, I have absolutely no questions about it. It's such a beautiful condition, you know, and knowing how expensive and crazy up in price goes Chanel these days, yeah. I'm just, one part of me wants to keep it because of that, you know, crazy Chanel prices increases, and obviously this is discontinued item, they don't make this anymore. And another part of me is more like, you don't need it, Magda, you absolutely don't need it. Just to show you the difference, because I just show you this in my last video. This is the YSL clutch. I just want to show you how small this Chanel is to compare to this. So I really like the size of the YSL, and I think my Fendi is slightly even bigger than this, and I thought the Fendi is already tiny. So yeah. What do you guys think? Please let me know. And of course I got this little you know, chain that it goes, I can use as a crossbody strap. So obviously this will be yeah, this is like the same purpose, really. I can use those two bags same. So this is how it looks on me. The length is very good. It feels very comfortable. I just feel like it's very tiny. This is just, to me, is like a typical, I would say, like a full-size wallet that I will have, you know, and it's just like chain added to the wallet. You know, I'm not a petite small woman, you know, so I'm just questioning if I don't look too funny. You know, I mean, it is cute, I cannot lie. It's super cute. And let me show you, you have room for quite a few cards, you know, and like little essentials, and just the fact the phone can fit in here in that middle space, it's a bonus. And yeah, here's the second, you know, compartment, and those are the two zips, the zipper pulls, zippers. There we go. I can put my phone in here just to show you guys. There we go. That's how it looks. So it is super cute. I just don't know. I just don't know. So I am so kind of puzzled. I like the, you know, the size and the, you know, just the fact that this is bigger, because, you know, like I said, I'm not a small lady. But I do like this one. It's just so cute. I just literally, I don't know. I don't know what should I do. Please help me. Please help me. Yeah, so this is basically it. So this is my dilemma, and yes, please leave a comment and please let me know what would you do if you were me. Obviously it's not inexpensive purchase, it is pretty pricey, you know, it's Chanel and we paying premium. Even though it's a second-hand, it was still expensive. So please let me know, what do you guys think? Like I said, I have no questions to, you know, condition of this item. I just don't know if, what would you do if you were me, basically, you know, because like I said, I love the condition, but the question is, do I really need it? And I think if I'm starting to question myself, I probably should return this, because, you know, it's not cheap. It's just pricey, you know, it's a pricey little toy. I would say. So definitely let me know what you guys think. Do I love it? Yes. Do I need it? I am not sure. Maybe if it was a little bit bigger, I wouldn't be questioning. I'm just thinking that most likely the YSL clutch can be used, you know, for the same purpose. And I also have Dior Promenade clutch, which is like, you know, it's more like a handbag because it's thicker, obviously. But yeah. Let me know what you guys think. I would really like to know. Alright guys, so this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Obviously, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't seen any on my last videos, I will always link it up there or at the end of this video. I am definitely keeping the scarf. This is no question. This is just so beautiful, and I just need those bright colors in my life. I am just on the fence with this baby. Like I said, I love it, but I'm just questioning if I really need it. So what would you do if you were me? Please let me know. I would really like to hear from you. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.